know we can go to Trevis with anything. The students and the staff you can tell are his top priority. So if it's too cold in our classrooms, too warm in our classrooms, he fixes it immediately.
Well, we have a very old school building and he has been keeping it running and operational. And so that's a really big task right now.
He goes above and beyond for our school, the staff, the students. He makes sure that we're safe, we're comfortable. It's a clean environment for anyone that enters this building.
He does a cemetery cleanup every year. He's done planting boxes for our community. And for me in my special ed classroom, he really looks at my students. I have some with medical conditions that need my classroom warm, or if there's something that I need in my room to help them, he will do it in a heartbeat. So we really appreciate him. Just want to congratulate him, and we're really lucky to have him here in Cornell. He works hard and he's always, always reliable and dependable. So we appreciate him.
Receiving this award is not just a reflection of me, but also our whole staff and student body. With the supportive work environment that is created by everyone at our district, it makes going to work enjoyable even when things are challenging. I've been here for 20 years and I've had quite a few different roles. Went from night custodian to lead custodian, and now I'm a full-time teacher and help train my replacement. I had a bachelor's degree from Stevens Point, and I went back into agriculture because that's my passion. I moved back to the family farm, and it's hard to make a living dairy farming, so went to come back to school where I graduated and got a job. Then the state changed regulations where if you have a background in agriculture with a bachelor's degree, you can apply for a teaching license. So I've been helping out in junior high classes for about 5 years. So I'd like to thank Dr. Schley and Allison Dukeman for being nominated for this award in recognition. It is humbling to be recognized for the work one does that help create a positive learning and work environment for the whole staff and students at Cornell. I'm 55, I have life experiences that I can hopefully share with the kids to show them that, learning gives you opportunity and freedom.